Good morning, good morning. I truly salute the greet everybody this wow. I did my wow. I mean, I just greet everybody this morning. As a matter of fact, I need to give them the pose. Give them the pose. You know, can't talk to them in the manner. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to PADI PADI today. We the truly salute the greet all of you. And I just want to tell you something. Say, God don't win because we don't get a lot. And we did thank Baba God for everything today for inside anywhere where you day. Beautiful morning it is, you know. I don't want to know whether anything they worry you, but as far as I am concerned, Ogbolo, you want to give them the song? You want to give it to them?
Go away, yeah, yeah. If you don't see your thing, I go away, yeah, yeah. Go away. Mona never play with the singer. What they worry? We say Mona play song.
Come on, this song.
Not play song.
What's the worry now?
Say we send a message.
They tell you say we not get our own version.
We get
respect yourself.
What's wrong to you?
They just spoil this group now.
Don't spoil the mood. Come on, please.
We they start again. Or more just continue.
More lock up.
Which kind of thing be this? They just spoil. Who tell you say we want that one now? Who tell you?
Who? What's wrong about you? What's wrong onto you? What's wrong within you? What's wrong above you?
And around you.
And around you. Into you. Hey, I was doing that kind of time.
Please don't disrespect us like that next time. When we give you the order, you take it.
Yes.
No?
I mean, you just kill the ministry for some.
Meanwhile, good morning, Jare people. All the same. All the same. Yeah. Give it to me, brother.
Hey, give you what?
The thing you're singing.
Give it to you, baby. We did give it to me. I give it to you.
God win, man. I want me.
God win. God win. God win. Oh, God win. Yeah. God win. God win. God win. God win.
I don't get a lot. I don't get a lot. No God do win. No God do win.
You don't get a lot.
I don't get a lot.
You don't get a lot.
I don't get a lot.
You don't spoil them now.
No.
You can't sound like Doc when they try.
You don't know the name of that thing. They call it ad-lib.
Not be ad-lib, this one. This one. So this frustration. Stop. You don't do. Please, no come spoil everybody. Morning this morning, please. You might one dog what I get. One small puppy. If you're not hungry, and that's what they do. So, we welcome all of you now. Come PADI PADI show for today. All of now they send us message for Twitter. God bless all of you.
Shout out to all of you.
We love all of you.
Give them kiss. Give them kiss.
You know, we take it. You understand now? So.
That's the way you do now. Wait till you can say you just.
Oh yeah, more go break. Then we'll come back on the yand. No be so.
Ogbolo, you don't notice say I low.
You low
now this year.
You know, no. Now where you did for life now? No, na joke. Nah, just
slap
no. You want slap for this? I don't know well.
You,
for this I don't know well. You want to slap?
Flying drop. You don't sit on foot panda. If I slap you,
we'll go break. We dey come back.
Mona can't hide me.
But you low.
You don't say as I be.
Why you low?
Please come and hide me.
Let's go on the break. We dey come
so
back.
that I can be hide.
This low. This is the way they look like this.
Please.
No wonder she who gives a coin in this area. Excuse me. Why do you throw money at me? Who do you think you are? Why do you throw money? If you put it there and the ground is down, what happens to you? Get it? What? Put it down and the ground is. Who do you think I am? I a dog? Am I a dog that you just throw things? And why would you give me a coin? Someone of your caravan status, why would you give me a coin right now? What do you want me to use this coin for? What did you think I don't have a family? I don't have a family that has needs. They don't eat, they don't drink, they don't sleep. I don't pay rent, What would you... Okay, advise me. If it were you, what would you use this for? Stop embarrassing yourself. The whole of you, take it. I don't need it. Take it. You seem to be needing it. Actually, you have more. Because you don't seem to be in the status of people who should be giving me. You give me you people think we are here to waste time, eh? You leave it. Leave it and we see whether my business wants to prosper. When you reach home, tell your family that a beggar gave you money. Hey, I beg, I gave you money. What is wrong with the people? Shit.
This is so funny.
Oh, my blood.
When you reach their house, tell them that a beggar gave you money.
Now the punchline with that one. Tell you can't reach out.
You know what always with me. Say, okay, if you were me, advise me. What will you do with one coin?
But if all beggars be like that,
nobody.
who would they give?
Nobody go give anybody.
Because they choose. But forget to forget. 5 naira they work. Yeah, they work. All right, yarn the yarn things. May we enter the level. Yields.
Yes, straight on to the stories. I could just give you my first gist. Now, perhaps I don't they talk this thing. If it not be for inside this country where we did, if it be for another country, because this one happen for inside China. But it no matter whether na China or na Chinese, or whether na Nigeria or something like that.
Chinese.
Yes, Chinese. Anything where they dangerous, don't be keeping it around your children. Will it kill you to keep it somewhere safe? It no go kill you to keep am for somewhere where children no go feel reach am. Be keep out of reach of children when then they write, no be for joke. Now for a scandal for inside China, 2 6-year-olds, one of them in name na Yang. Ogbolo, if you just help me pronounce the name. Yang. And in cousin, Yang na just 6 years old. In cousin himself na 6 years old. His cousin name na Ying. Yes.
Just imagine where they throw spoon for ground. You will know the name. So
now, thinking they play for outside. Now they can't stumble on top a rifle.
Rifle, that be
shot. All those shotguns. Thank you.
Small
They stumble on top of inside China. Now, Yang, naim be the cousin.
Okay.
The thing say na playing something. So the guy fired the bullet for Ying face.
Hey.
325 bullets now then come out for the face of Ying. Out of play. As that thing happened, the 2 children run enter inside house. Now the mama can say, hey, see what happened. But the children said, then I cried and they cried. They were scared. They don't even know what thing happened. They don't know what thing then they do. Because as far as they're concerned, play something. You can imagine 325 gunshot pellets, pellets, then come out for there. 2 millimeter in diameter from inside Ying face. I'm telling you this thing.
So he not die.
He not die.
Yes, just thank God for that particular one. Say at least he no buy.
But you know as he go take this figure. How did take do and so take the 325
bullets? Some will still remain somewhere. Maybe they find out where. But for this part of the world, I don't know. People that will get gone. One of the people that gone where. But at the same time, for this side, license too. For this side, even if you like license, unlicensed, any gun you shall get. Toy gun self, I don't talk that and say toy gun not too good as play. Because don't they really teach person how to do something. When they give small boys toy gun, they do pish, you don't know who they train. You don't train person. You get. So you don't say person just keep play dagger for house. You know, you don't train person how to use knife, they choke person. I will choke you. Baga. So parents, may they very careful, guidance. I beg. Mona know the kind of toys them.
Any they get for dangerous children. Anything, even for your kitchen, keep your knives well. Yes. Any dangerous anything, even needle, even needle, because HIV is not accepted as well. Exactly. You shook a needle, you shook another person, you have a HIV, 2 of it become a co-HIV. You understand me now? So be careful with anything with the wounding object.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Any wounding object.
Yes.
Okay. Aside from the wounding object, things are for that China.
And they tell you this
things are for China. But when they tell me people them. When they drink anyhow, some people go be like say, no, they talk. Friday don't they come now?
I be shock.
I be shock.
Nothing they hide me.
I be shock for Africa.
I be shock.
Only me they down one full crate. Now so one guy go down things, drink. Only I drink to like you go talk to stupor. Let me say drink all he had. When the guy see railway. You see railway come they be like shortcut. The guy no, he don't do waka stagger. Now so he fall for a way. Oh, I say make him bounce come outside train come they come. The train shall pass the guy, but luckily for him, he not die. See the CCTV, make sure everything as it happen. You see, he waka, stroll. See where he fall. See where he fall like that. But we thank God say as the train shall pass. Say it no match the guy.
Says he follow.
Says he just fall. You know? So I beg you, people the way they drink anyhow. Make una dey very careful. Anything now, anything if it happen because they say na just minor injuries in escape with, but we thank God say in no losing life. It just be like when I did for express yesterday with the drive. And I would say all these guys when they sell drink. Some they sell alcohol for road.
Can you imagine?
They sell all this beer for can. They sell this new one now with everywhere. They sell them for can. You know they're right. You understand? Because you guys drive for Third Milan Bridge now. They drive. You go look Third Milan Bridge. You go be like another express. you go just be like say you go feel shortcut there. Only you go just see bridge. Say if I pass it now,
jump inside. You go just
from there now. You can't say me if I pass it now, I enter by that grill. You understand?
Only you go just see Cameroon from on top
here. Please
be
careful. No, they drink and drive. Now they sell for road sell. Now they do all these things because anything can happen.
If you want to drink and drive, I will give you advice as a sister in the sister.
That know how to drink too.
Please, that know how to drink too. If you want to drink and drive, please. What I used to drink what I drink is water. Look, water is very good for you.
Yes.
If you drink 50 carton, nothing will happen. You drink 50 barrel, nothing will happen. You will become a fresh person.
Drink.
You understand me now? You will drink drum. Be a shark. Drink water.
The shark.
Yes.
They drink water.
I'm telling you experience.
Yes.
I'm a shark water drinking fellow. So be me. Emulate my attitude of water drinking. Everything be okay.
Seriously.
I'm telling you.
You drink with hose, with straw, anything.
If you like, if you do,
they drink with pipe. Jump inside swimming pool. Jump inside, just drink water.
There's chlorine water. Swimming pool on.
You go wash it. You go punch the person now. You want to swim for swimming pool, you know they drink the water.
No.
Come on for that place.
You know how many people don't piss inside swimming pool water?
It they happen naturally.
Come on, to go they touch something. More go break your jare.
Peace, they punch person.
You be spoiling my reputation as a water drinker.
What's wrong to you? Now they do this thing. You guys go take drink peace now. You go they clean your system.
No, they shout for me.
Peace get urea.
So we will just continue with the show now. I doesn't know who is here with me. It's I alone that is in this particular show today.
Am I invisible?
You are invisible.
What's wrong to you?
You are not seen. Your posture cannot be discovered by the viewers at home.
Serious?
Yes.
My posture?
No. It is not discoverable. Meanwhile,
I'm not sure. Posing, posing. Mama try me. Joe, continue to your young. At least I be pose. Dear daddy, that's what to you. You are beefing. You know my progress for life.
All right, so I could just continue with PADI PADI. If you enter my posing again, I'll woz you. Why be saying that when I want pose, now they can't put on for white shorts? Thank you. So as I was saying, for inside PADI PADI, a lot of people know where. White shorts, this thing, this is now me and my guy.
No, you know one white short just now.
Oh, forget. Leave posing. This thing now me and you. Do you know say for inside there Florida?
Yes.
People don't craze. Craziness is in the world, in life of people.
Hey.
You know, say people when they call pet-abuse.com.
Yes.
Pet-abuse.com. Now then they take care of
website.
Animals, pets, and all those things.
Yes.
Then. You know, say then they complain. Say in 1 year, then they get over 30,000 calls of abuse of animals. But we can tell you what bring this gist. One woman, for instance, camera where they put for house. You understand? Now she catch her husband.
Hey.
Chihuahua. You know that dog where they get
small dog.
Chihuahua.
Hey.
They do with Chihuahua.
Now the guy with this.
I'm telling you this thing.
Oh, blagger.
Old man, 61-year-old man, name na Manuel Ramon Gonzalez. He named na Ramon.
Oh,
Gonzalez,
see the poor dog. Oh.
I'm telling you.
Now this dog, you want frustrating life like this.
You don't understand.
Hi.
So in fact, he don't even plead guilty to other sexual activities with animal.
Hey, so
what is the meaning?
People now, it's just
this?
like one. I see one yesterday. When one monkey, they torchlight duck.
At least that one are 2 animals, Ogbolo. Human beings, you carry chihuahua, small chihuahua like this, they do who with chihuahua.
People don't craze for this one.
You know, some people, in fact, they even talk, so make I even give you the statistics now. Then say, for United States, yes?
Yes.
65% of animal cruelty, where then they cruelty.
Cruelty. I'm saying they do animal bad thing.
The 65% of them are dogs.
Oh.
Wait,
they say that dog might be man's best friend now.
18% of them are cats. Then 25% of them are other animals.
Hey. So that means dog don't hear around.
As in dog don't hear around.
Just go, bingo!
I'm telling you, do this thing. In fact, they even talk saying then they see a lot of these things. Then they see plenty. Say people, say their wish be say once they catch you, just go jail.
Finish now.
Just they go jail.
She be last year we see fowl. We see snake.
You're not normal.
This one now, you don't carry dogs, join.
Really? There's something. Come. More see, come.
Leave there. You don't get what you want talk now. We go share anything.
True. That excuse, teacher, I.
Yes.
Teacher, me,
yes,
I.
Yes.
See, come. You are not well. Go and seek help. Help yourself. You are sick.
Please, in case anybody dey outside there, you did there now. As we talk like this now,
you say
look your this goat. Kind of thing, like, they look your goat. Your goat be like saying a babe. You understand?
You like your goat waist.
Yes, your goat. The guy go tell you, man, you can. Oh man, you're very very hot. Please go and seek help. It's not normal at all.
No,
you understand?
You're
or maybe
not right.
just go see bed now. Your pigeon be like, one hot chick. Please be careful.
You understand? I beg.
Seek medical help and spiritual. There are 2 things.
Two things.
Before they will do physical own, they do you. Because physical own are beating, they go beat you. We don't talk. Now, back to China, like I talked before. Back to China.
They know they're right.
China now, they say someone farm, one man pig born. As a man pig born, the pig come out with human being face.
What?
He come out with human being face.
What do you do?
He pig born picking now. He born.
Pig? Yeah. Oh, but you don't know what they call her for you.
What did they call her?
A small pig is called a piglet.
A piglet now. Now be picking where you born now. Oh, you want to just show me say you get sense?
Yes.
Come up for see the pig now.
Now lie. He come out with human being face.
I say not be joke.
Hey.
I say see the face. Hey. I say when they come out, like everybody shock. And they say, come, which kind of abnormal case be this one? The owner of the farm that they come to beg and say, come, make them buy them. You know these people, they really like to buy all these things that you come, they make other money for a corner. They say, come, make we buy this thing, make we buy it. The guy say, lie, he go keep them for that in farm. He go turn that place to tourist center. People go on, they come, they look the thing, they pay money, come, they look them. But last, the thing don't die. Enough he survive because this kind of thing not dey.
What thing you want feed them? What thing you want give them?
But maybe
possibility
true. Based on this gist now, where you just talk now, maybe this guy will get the farm now. Don't go touch lights.
Or maybe if not be him, if it be another person, we just say, "Oh, mom, this guy pig, looking pig,
I say pig.
You just
go. If it happen, no.
Yes, now.
Maybe now one human being now don't go try things.
Yes.
Like that one they try the dog.
Thank
you. Hello, Anyway, different crazy happen for this world now. But any which way, we going to talk am, make una dey hear am. So everybody could be careful. Just in case you get animal for house now, you say the animal is slow. Call your family members.
I'm telling you,
who got torchlight this dog? Who torchlight this animal? May that not be your case? And
meanwhile,
may I go torchlight your fowl now?
I tell you this.
Some people call kill fowl for the fowl for Valentine. It no go too pure.
Meanwhile, Ogbolo.
Girls.
We don't get a lot. Last.
This one you talk. You be like say one thing. Now you know the one you talk. Now the chorus build the song. Now we sing since. Yes. Now just the way the song take.
Now we still sing.
So, but yeah, make we match break for you. Please, if you know say you bad what the gist we gist, abi you want to hear more of the gist, just walk and go at Wazobia PADI PADI on top Twitter. Make sure say you follow us at the same time. Get other gist. If you want to hear the gist, let us know. Go drop on for that place at Wazobia PADI PADI. Follow us, and at the same time, more just match enter laugh. They laugh. Now. They come back.
Pause.
Nicodemus, why are you running now? John Bosco, shit. Nicodemus, why are you running now? John Bosco, shit.
This is the apple steady.
Yes.
If you just stand for bus stop now, one person just run. Boom.
Ama, you follow him.
You not know what they happen, no. Everybody, form, now for road. Okay, what did they happen? I don't know. This one owner say shoot. These two guys, I don't go keep person.
I better be careful as you run before you go enter front of motor car because they run for reason where you don't even know.
Some people don't run. Some person feel just person when they owe money. Just say, hey, you know make donut to scratch am. Boom. You say you don't know what they happen. You don't take off fair. You don't go jam trailer. You don't go be your portion. No.
Why are you running?
Picture. Yeah. Wow. Afro candy. She don't say you get how electric go shock you. All your hair go stand like this.
You be like home alone.
This now what thing they happen when you are jobless. You can't try different things. But out of being jobless, all these white people they get some kind of things they come out. We our jobless things. Now yahoo they turn to. Now the man they make up, the woman they shave.
Love is in the air, Valentine.
Wow,
Valentine. Oh, but now have fun. I wait to go value now.
My wife, hold yourself.
What?
Hey.
What's happening?
Or robs.
You know, say as the bikes have bend.
And the same one they call them or robber again. One they call them fat people. This one now plus size.
Yeah, plus size. No, this one don't be plus size. It's plus size.
Plus
plus
size.
Square size.
Just in case. I don't see where they padlock person phone like this. They
you
see
go thief me with the phone.
They go see, some people go see thief the phone, come on the belt. You know go see no. Some people they thief for Africa. All this one they put padlock like this, nothing. They go see move the phone. The guy will say, man, you get the joke now. Make I not even talk about because I no get time. Yeah? Any person padlock like this, just look, say, I told you. How bad.
What happened? She put super glue for DNA.
No, be super glue. Now she did on the plus size too.
Oh,
you see
okay.
that the chair hug everything.
What?
Yee!
What?
Kilo chair will be worse.
What?
All right. Okay. Quickly back to us. Make we just do all the rapping things. What are you? What's wrong with you?
My head they pain me.
Your head they pain you. That's when they come from too much talking and too much thinking. We will tell you now. Make you they do like normal human being. Because this one now, you know that the groove where you go groove for weekend. I don't find any talk now.
See, wait, you are talking rubbish. This your game. Leave a me grow. I'm a platan.
No.
A platan 3. 1, 2, 3.
I the platan well now. Now make can they grow well.
Make I platan.
No platan.
Wait, ma don't use thread.
No.
Wait.
Now wickedness you won't do.
But come.
Plus the one way you have.
Oh yeah, wait. I don't get hair for armpits. Come, wait.
No.
1 second. See, this show goes soon.
We don't get time. Ladies and gentlemen, no.
I will wound you, my family. Come here.
Look at this.
Am I your mate?
I say you know what just now.
Come here, I'm not well.
Then save yourself. What's wrong with you?
But wait, small.
No.
Small.
No. Plat the one way for your leg.
No be plat.
All right, so una fit jam us on top at Wazobia PADI PADI for Twitter. Just go. No, they drag her. You drag her too much.
I drag your skin.
And ask me, then you want to come on my skin. What you do now?
I touch it.
At Wazobia PADI PADI for Twitter. Go there. Make una tell us every. How una go like make we dress on Friday. This is Friday night be our dressing thing. Saturday na Valentine. No. Hey!
So you need to give
they don't postpone election.
Man.
See where guys they vex.
I'm telling you this thing.
Guys, no, we want the election that day. You know, see people now that already postponed this. But any which way, some people they say when we wear singlet and pants, come say now God go blind to the eye.
All your plan will not work.
It not gonna work.
You see this PADI PADI, we will do it for a very long time.
Yes,
all your plan to pack us up.
To make them come on this show for things not gonna work.
To remove us from the vicinity of a TV viewing angle. It not gonna work.
When they wear singlet and boxers and pants, come
they mind them.
Not okay. All right. Now you go end everything.
Because it say we know well. They just say our craze.
Yeah. Please, our craze is good craze. Please, not be any our craze. All right, so on top of the whole level, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you show love to somebody for outside there. Not to go show love, go to make sure you go to shut up and down. No. Show love by being very, very lovable and loving. And God will bless everybody. We'll see you now tomorrow. Jam us for Twitter. Once again, at Wazobia PADI PADI. We love all of you. Tell them you love them now.
I love you so much.